literally from county to county to county. So we've got Collin County, Hayes County, one in McLennan County, one in Belton County, one in Kaufman County. Good morning. Are you Contasia Richmond?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
She will, Your Honor.
Ms. Richmond, in cause number 24, DCCR 2306, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft with previous theft convictions from September 9th of 2024. The indictment alleges you were previously convicted of theft June 21st of 2019. And then after that was final, you were convicted of theft in 2 cases on the same date, March 21st of 2024 in Bell County, and then again April 10th of 2024 in McLennan County, Texas, and May 31st of 2024 in Collin County, Texas. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they've charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
And are those prior convictions true?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the outcome of those last few, 2024 cases?
Judge, I've got the one with 2023 where she in Hayes County. Is that the one? I believe that. Is that
I don't even have a 2023 Hayes County in here. I've got
I've got
2 in Bell County, 1 in McLennan, and 1 in Collin.
Collin. We got 200 days in county jail,
Okay.
and let me pull Bell County. Bell County was 9 months.
What about McLennan County?
I believe
Okay.
most of these were punished as a misdemeanor, 1244. Judge.
Well, you've got one. The Bell County's out of a district court,
Yes, ma'am.
and the Collin County's out of a district court, which they could have pled them down, but those are both.
This is a state jail. The Bell County was the one in 2024. It's 9 months state jail. And the Collin County one, like you said. I know. The Collin County was a 1244 to be specific. Judge.
Okay. Let me look at something. I don't think I like it. So there's a case from 2017 here out of this court for a 2-year term in prison. What was that for?
No, I had 2 years probation, and then when I went to jail, I had got some jail time with the 1224-8. I don't know how much it was.
So what I'm looking at here, which is even more than what's included on that indictment,
Yes, ma'am.
shows a 2017 conviction for theft here in Jefferson County, a 2023 in Collin County, a 2023 later that year in San Marcos.
Hayes County.
I was
Hayes
in jail
County.
that whole time.
I don't care if you're in jail. I care that you're continuing to steal, and that I'm not sure that this deal that you've made is sufficient for what I think, for what you've been doing. So we're not talking about a long time ago. We're talking about the last 2 years, going from literally from county to county to county. So we've got Collin County, Hayes County, then we're into 2024 where there's 3 convictions, 1 in McLennan County, 1 in Belton County, 1 in Kaufman County. And we're back here with an offense date. So the offense date here was 9/9, which is actually of 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So at least that one was before the Kaufman County. So you went from here and then you traveled to Kaufman County within 3 days, got another case there. Or at least you had it before and that was the conviction date. Yeah, nope. I will keep the paperwork. Y'all can go visit. I don't think 12 months is appropriate. Somewhere There's got to be a little more than that, in my opinion. Otherwise, obviously, jail time has not been sufficient to deter. So y'all take another look at it. I won't delete it. So if y'all come up with something, I can make that adjustment. If not, if you need some time, I'll reset it, and then y'all can talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss, okay. And we're back on the record, cause number 24, DCCR 2306, Mr. Hopper.
Your Honor, the state agreed to offer 18 months in this case.
And is that an agreement that you've talked to your client about?
We have discussed that. Judge, Ms. Richmond is willing to take the 18 months, yes.
Ms. Richmond, with everyone's permission, I can make that adjustment on this paperwork. I want to make sure it is your understanding that you are now agreeing that I sentenced you to 18 months in your case. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand if I follow that agreement that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal. You can't change your mind later and say she gave me 18 months instead of 12. You are now agreeing to that 18 months, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Any evidence that Ms. Richmond is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find, Ms. Richmond, that you entered your plea of guilty and true, freely, and voluntary. Well, I'm not even sure. Let me go back just to make sure. I do want to go back to that indictment. Are all of those prior convictions for theft true?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading true because those are actual convictions that you received?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I am going to find, again, sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of theft with previous convictions. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 18 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I'm also going to hand you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. A firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. Good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff. All right, let's get Brandon Bell.